Hello everyone, my name is Kishan Chaurasia. I'm Managing Director of Taksh Kabir Enterprises, and this exotic vanilla is a brand of the Taksh Kabir Enterprises. We are working with 9,000 farmers in Madagascar and Uganda and Indians. So we are sourcing our vanilla from Madagascar. This is our team in Madagascar and Uganda. So we import vanilla from there, and we manufacture our vanilla extract, paste, and pod also, and selling in the local market. And this is the best ingredients. Natural vanilla, is the best ingredients for the retails market here. And this expo bakery exhibition, giving us the platform to showcase our product.
Hi, my name is Ankita Mistry and I'm looking marketing into this company. And yes, we are getting good response from customers and visitors. And we are really happy to participate in this exhibition, and we are looking forward for such many more exhibitions in future. Thank you.